Since mushrooms can and will release spores that can support mold growth, it's important to clean your fruiting chamber after each fruiting cycle. Keeping Mella clean and sterile is critical to making sure your growing environment is as effective and healthy as possible. To make cleaning easier, harvest your mushrooms early. Prolonged growth will dramatically increase the amount of spores that are released. Avoid cleaning the chamber with solvents or other organic compounds. These can irreversibly damage your humidity sensor. Only use warm, soapy water. Remove the humidification filter. Rinse under running water until clean. Replace the humidification filter as needed. Do not continue using if contaminated. Remove the side tank and water tray. Empty out the water tray and wash with warm soapy water until clean. Rinse the water tray with cool, clean water. Unplug the humidity fan and lift the fan bracket to remove. Wash fan and fan bracket under cool running water until clean. The fan is water resistant, but do not submerge the plug. In the chamber, plug the dust cover into the fan plug before cleaning. Wash the chamber with warm soapy water until clean. Do not use chemical cleaners.